Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome once again to my another. Sorry, I should probably not say that word anymore. Poopy. Uh, shop show, or time, whatever you want to call it now. But yeah, so finally got to put on the bumper back on. Headlights and blinkers are completely smoked. I don't know if this is legal yet, but fuck it, I don't care. At this point, it's already done. If I need to take it off, I'll take it off. But right now, I'm keeping them on. I like them. I like how they look. Black. Check this out. See that? All black. Bam. Bam. But yeah, so back to it. I think I didn't let you guys know about this other modification that I might have done. I did change the grills. Here they are. They're matte black as well. Pretty much the car is gonna be. I'm hoping that one day it'll be to that. That's just a sneak preview type thing. But yeah, so how I said, tires were done already back then. I did mess around with a little bit with the interior, but I put it back to how it was, just because of the fact that the only reason I was trying to open this up was the center panel here. Yeah, that center console where the lever's at and all that, the switch knob, whatever you want to call it. It's because of the fact that I was trying to put some underglow. Unfortunately, the underglow that I have, the wiring was not going to reach, and that's one, and two, there was no exit through here, and I didn't want to drill a hole where I couldn't see what's under. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I left that alone. But yeah, so now it is wait time. I was hoping, how I said, Amazon Prime to kick in and drop off that, radiator coolant or whatever, coolant reservoir or whatever you want to call it. This fucking thing right here. This fucking thing right here. This fucking thing. Like I said, I was going to try to hold back on the cursing, but this really took me off. I was being as careful as possible when I did take it off. So for those of you that think that I was being too rough with it, I think it was just very brittle, very old. I'll even show you how it looks. The nozzle looks like this now. You see? All shitty. And the top layer here, that's probably the glue that I used, which was the JB Weld, how I said in my earlier videos. But yeah, so it is done for now. Just waiting for, how I said, the coolant tank. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to watch me put in the coolant tank. If you guys want an instruction video, or maybe if there's an easier way to put it in. But honestly, it's not that difficult. It's actually pretty easy. That's just me, bitching and moaning. But back to what I was saying. I might stop posting, but honestly, the only reason I want to stop posting was because of the fact that I have no more ideas on what to do to this car. So I'm reaching out to you guys, you at home, you to let me know, hey, you guys, you should probably drop this on the car, or do this mod. See what you guys suggest. I want to see what is out there. What do you guys think is a really good mod for this beast right here? About that underglow, I probably will buy another one and then install it, and I'll show you that later. But for now, this is what it's gonna look like. I said, I fucking busted my ass this whole week, and I'm not complaining about it. I love the fact that I got to work on it, because I've been putting it off for a while, and now that I had a chance, since it broke down and everything, now that I had a chance, I was like, you know what, let's do it. Put in the suspension, put in new struts, etc., etc. So I went for it. For those of you that don't know, well, actually, I'm pretty sure none of you guys knew why I was working on it originally. The reason why I was working on it is because of the fact that one of the pulleys for the tension belt or the tensioner, whatever you want to call it, this part here, this here, you see that? It had snapped off actually on my way back from work. I didn't know at the time when I pulled up to my house. Actually, when I was actually on my way here, there my power steering started going tough, and I was like, "What the hell?" I stopped and I tried to check and see what's going on. If I saw anything, and there was nothing, no leakage, no nothing, and I was like, "Well, then if it's not my power steering, then what could it be?" When I finally pulled up to the house, I turned off the car. All behold, this thing right here was broken off. Yeah, don't judge me for the Sandy. Everybody sanitize. COVID's out there, But yeah, so that thing has snapped off, and then that caused me to not move this car for a whole week, which it's hurtful. I miss it. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't miss their own car? But yeah, so back to the stuff that I ended up using for, for the sanding and all that stuff. I used let's see if I can find it. P180. Oh, here it is. Sponge thing, I think, sander. This thing right here. I bought it at AutoZone. It was like probably like $6. I'll double check on that for you guys. And then how I said, I ended up using the peel coat lens tint from Rust-oleum. Yes, I am keeping this can for an example because, man, this is a really good one. I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, so this also for the bumper and the wheels or tires. Sorry, excuse my language. Tires. You caught that. But yes, if you guys ever want to paint your own or anything like that, that's what I ended up using. It might have taken me a lot longer than I wanted to with the 180, but honestly, I wanted a precise, clean sand. Didn't want to overcut, didn't want to undercut. I wanted it to be, perfect. I mean, I'm not a professional, but I tried my best to make it as perfect as possible. I mean, I like how they look. I don't know about you guys. Drop down comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about them. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos. How I said, just drop comments, like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Pepes_E38 and on TikTok at Pepes_E38 and on Twitter at Pepes_E38. I don't know if I should put my Snap. You guys let me know. What do you guys think? But yeah, so comment me, advise anything, let me know what should I do to this monster. Pretty soon, the monster is gonna get a bit of body work. One of my friends actually, Carlos, he's actually gonna help me out with that. But that's honestly only thing I could say that's really major in the car. For any of you guys that know any pick apart or anything like that might have a 7 Series E38 or whatever, let me know because I do need a new door. This door is no bueno anymore. I asked for advice from my friend Carlos once again. He suggests that I swap it out, change it. Regardless, I'm going to paint it so it doesn't matter what color it is. But yeah, please let me know. Drop it on the comments down there. Any links so that way I could also figure out how to take it off, because this is going to be the first time me ever taking a door off, and I definitely want to give it a try. It is my car. It is my project. So why not? What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Let me know. And yes, this is the terrible mug that's behind this monster. You know, I like showing my car. I don't give a fuck. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really trying. But I really love showing this car. Why? Because this car is something I bought with my money. I've had previous cars, don't get me wrong, and it's not that I haven't bought them with my money, but come on, who is not proud of buying their first BMW? Let's put it like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my baby, but there's more cars that I want, and I will probably get, and those will probably end up in this channel too. Let me know if you guys want to see, and if you want to know, you gotta find out later. See you till next time, guys.